Welcome to the 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer RS in crimson metallic. This SUV is powered by a 1.3-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Trailblazer, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and mirrors, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with perforated hand grips, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, climate controls in the center of the dash. Below that, we have a single cigarette lighter charger, USB-C, USB, and auxiliary port. And here in the center console, you can find your shifter and electronic parking brake. Taking a look at the exterior of the Trailblazer, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Hankook Kinergy tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, blacked-out mirrors. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked-out bow tie in the center of the grille, RS badge in the grille as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have the blacked out all-wheel drive Trailblazer, bow tie, and red RS badging on the hatch, and the twin chrome-tipped exhaust. Heading back inside the Trailblazer, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down here in the middle. And in the center console of the vehicle, you can find a 120-volt outlet and 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer RS. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.